The container is buried deep, 4,000 feet. We need precise coordinates for the ROV drop.
I have them right here. Confirmed location lock.
Regulators online. Adjusting pressure gauges now. Copy that. Moving the hydraulic cutters into position.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Hitting 3,000 feet. All systems nominal. Copy that. Initiating sonar sweep of the seabed now.
Decades underwater have taken their toll. The divers must carefully assess the structural integrity of the container walls at this extreme depth.
Lifting point confirmed. Laser grid active on Sector 4. Crane control, raise the load 5 meters. Copy that, raising 5 meters. Check tension on the main cables. Corrosion looks extensive here. How are the structural supports holding up? These hinges are barely hanging on. Noted. Integrity is compromised. Proceed with caution. Take the tension slowly. Keep the tension steady on that winch. Yeah. Rolling slowly down the ramps now. Yeah. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Here at AUTO RECRAFTED, we use dual-action sanders to prepare the floor pan for the new structural reinforcement channels.
Using a specialized hydraulic transmission jack, the team carefully lowers the heavy-duty automatic transmission, separating it from the chassis. The specialized inspection probe allows us to examine the extent of the damage. Here we can clearly see significant marine residue and
All right, easy does it. Guide it straight down. Holding steady. It's home. Holding at 135. Good. Finalizing the rear mount now. The gap tolerance is perfect on this side.
Yep.
Okay, applying final torque now.
Restored to perfection, this Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon rolls out of the workshop, its flawless black body gleaming in the golden light. A cinematic masterpiece of engineering, the restored Power Wagon grips the asphalt, blending rugged capability with flawless design.